Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. We are the Cagayan de Oro MPR group, and we're a non-government organization dedicated to making a difference in our community. Our main goal is to enhance the environment by planting trees and keeping our surroundings clean. Today, we have a special message for all amazing open-hearted people out there with a vision to improve our surroundings and create a better place for all of us. So, we're launching a cleanup initiative to keep our city beautiful and free from waste. And here's how you can contribute. Simply collect and pack your waste in a plastic bag. Tie it up securely, and then find the nearest trash can. You can also take your trash to designated drop-off locations. By doing so, you'll be helping us achieve our goal, so let's all work together to make this happen. So, if you see us around your neighborhood, don't hesitate to say hi. We'd love to chat about our mission and how you can get involved. Remember, together we can make a real impact on our environment. Thanks for tuning in today. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on our projects and initiatives. Until next time, take care and stay green. Until next time, take care and stay green. Until next time, take care and stay green.